Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can download Ladbrokes app on your device. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the exact process for it. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open a Play Store or App Store on your device, and there search for Ladbrokes, and once you search for it, you will be able to see different applications displayed on your screen. Now you have to tap on this application, and there you need to tap on install button. Now here your app has been already downloaded and installed to your device. Now go back to your home screen, and there you will be able to see the app on your home screen. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can download Ladbrokes app on your device. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.